do here at FoneFunShop, we're going to use our jafusb to do a firmware upgrade on a Nokia 6300. So first things first, we'll get our flash files. We'll make sure the latest version is installed, which is version 5. So we'll try and run version 5. Just while that's installing, there you can see this free version files, but you've got MCU 3.00, 3.1, and what these are, that's finished, I'll press finish now, is the updates from Nokia. So we'll do the 3.1 now. You must do these in order, and it just makes sure you've got all the latest packs installed on your PC. You've always got to start installing by a 0.00. I'll do that 3.2 now as well. There you can see like version 1, 4.2, 1.1, then they went to software version 4.7, started at 2, etc. So we've got the latest flash files installed. So now we'll launch our jafusb. That's a jaf launched. I haven't got my box installed, just my P key, so only option I've got is USB. So I'll select the BB5 tab. What I'm going to do at this stage is connect my phone. Tell the phone to connect in Nokia mode. There you can see it's installing the drivers for me. Once the drivers is installed, I'll just try it now. Let's press info, and what that does, that'll search for the phone. Now we'll just wait for the drivers to finish. Let's try again now. Info again. Right, it's not reading all the phone, so let me just have a look at in my device manager, make sure the drivers are installed properly. Yes, drivers are all installed. I'll leave that there. So just let me reset the phone, unplug the cable, plug the cable in again, select Nokia on the phone, press info on the software, right, there we go. Right, so it's read all the phone now. It tells me the version of the phone is 4.70, and I want to install the latest version, which was version 5. So let's start at the top. Right, so what I want to do, I want to firmware upgrade it, but also want to get rid of the branding on the phone. So here you can see here is these are debranded flash because they don't sell like T-Mobile or Vodafone or anything on it. So I want a Euro A Latin black and silver version 5, but there's a 008 there, so we'll select that one, which is the latest version 5 I have installed. So now I've selected that, what it's done there, it's put the files ready for flashing. Then all I'll do at this stage is press flash. It's just telling me what files I've got selected, and if I were downgrading I could kill the phone if I didn't tick downgrade, but I'm not downgrading, I'm going from 4.7 to 5, so I'll select yes there. And while that goes through the procedure, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pause this recording and come back to you at the end. Just come back to it as it's just finishing flashing the phone. Just resetting the phone itself. There we go, done. The phone's powered on normal mode. Alright, there we can see the phone's on now, and you see it's 4.7 there. If I read the phone now, there we go, version 5. So that phone is now all updated to version 5, and that's how you update the firmware on a Nokia BB5 phone.